Got an airplane.
Speed. Set. More smoke.
Alert.
A lot more.
You didn't hear it.
John Moya, down a little bit. Thank you.
I can see the gel.
Good.
Great. That was real good.
Where's that? I've been pounding him on the back, and you've been sliced up, so let me see some pain.
Okay.
Why don't you, when you jump on there, why don't you scream?
Okay.
Just bloody scream.
Well, all right. I didn't see you mark for $4.99.
No good. Get smoke in there. More smoke.
Here's
More
$4.99
smoke.
E and F. Take 3, 2 cameras. Hopefully we'll see E mark this time. Here.
Scream. Set. And action! Good. Good, yeah, good.
And I tell you, we don't need to do that tight on the bill.
Good.
What we've got is a real nice thing.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right, yeah, let's do just one more. Yeah, sprint. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Caroline's bleeding more. Our blood's gotten...
Sweating more and all that stuff. Okay, let's do it fast.
Bill, can I just step in there?
Get some smoke. I'll tell you what, too. Candy, that's all right for now.
It's all right for now.
It's all right for now. But I think we need to thicken it, darken, make it a darker color. You know, it's looking like... Yeah.
I'll fix
You know
it.
what I
Hang
mean?
on a
It's
second.
just it's looking artificial.
That was Thursday.
Get ready! And action! Cut!
So you're waiting to do some inserts or something? Is that what's next?
Yeah. I guess. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Waiting for the sun to go down and the makeup to come off and the
jacuzzi to be
warm.
warm. Listen, just be grateful you're not shooting in July. There would be no survivors.
Well, you know, it is. Things could be worse. I realize.
Where did you come from?
And this is better than a poke in the eye with a burnt stick.
It beats a sharp stick in the eye. doesn't it?
Where did you come from?
New York City.
Oh yeah? This is your first time in the area, as we said?
Yeah, it is. I was in the Dallas airport one time, but never got out of there.
Fine and lovely place.
Yeah, it's a long walk, man. Jeez.
Didn't you mean that in the cosmic sense? Where did it come from, or did you?
I feigned
I
a
was gonna let
limp.
him-
I feigned a limp and flagged one of the geriatric carts. So they slowed down and I got in the back. Sit down to
Yeah, if
gate
you
24.
gotta change planes, you better have an hour so that they can make all those little loops.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
And do enjoy the foot-long hot dogs.
Right there. I got it right there.
But that's about all I've seen of the
I got it
state.
wet in there.
And yeah, Tom
That's on 35.
Savini built the Brook Hollow. It's
Well,
incredible. Just
yeah,
for
they
us.
did a great job, too.
He did, I think so.
Checking the camera for a laugh.
I'd like to add, it's a Hawthorne Suites Hotel. That's the larger corporation owned by, I think, Union Carbide. Yes.
We're actually thinking of moving the newspaper back into the old building after you're done.
That's a great idea.
Hiring you as managing editor, as a matter of fact.
Well, you know, everything I know, I was taught by Tom. It's incredible. Guy's a newspaper man.
He is the editor of the American Station.
Oh, that's
You may
right.
not
Oh,
know that.
no, yeah, the owner. Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
Tom owns it. Oh, yeah. And Tom, of course, Tom invented, you know, the printing press, which I think is pretty
That
impressive.
was one of his better moments.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm in a full tight close-up on your mouth.
It's all lies. It's
Oh, wait.
all lies.
Nico.
Check in. How's it looking? You happy? Oh, my.
Frankenstein.
I think the dark edge is the fact that it's not shining through. You know, no translucency.
Guys, I'm gonna move my leg. Okay. This right here. That looks real.
Oh yeah, just pop right down in front of me.
Oh, where do you want the, what's that?
Your plasma is the pH that is just the final wonderful.
Is that what you're doing now?
God bless you.
Really?
Hey, there's some foo-foo hanging on your ears there too.
I think I have a little VO. I think I need to go take a shower.
How about a Polaroid of the whole thing? See how it looks?
Everybody wants to have a face. I want to see what I look like now. I don't really know if I want to see this. I don't know if it's actually good for LG to know what he looks like. Because really what I want to say to the girl, I want to say, what's wrong with your face, honey? Darling.
Yes, this can happen to you if you smoke these. Watch this girl's face, Jen. And Carl. You
Lou,
guys
turn
go
to your
back
left.
for a double take.
Turn to your left, Lou.
Yes. Huh?
Your left. That's good.
These guys came back for a double
Yes, they
take.
did. Looking right. Hey, hey, what? What?
Your shorts are on backwards.
No. Want to watch on?
Yeah?
Yep.
No, they don't take watches this year. The kneecaps and your chin.
No, goddamn, they take goddamn good Stetson hats. That fucking
Now they have two of them?
weight-headed bastard.
This needs to be juicy blood. That's when I got
Yeah, right. Now, when you hold that up, flap that around, Bob, and get it where it's backlit. You know?
Yeah, but do you want the chest to show or the back of it?
Ooh. Well, both, whatever, are peeling it up, let the back of it show.
Oh, goddamn.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Can I lay back, Tom?
Yeah, you lay back.
Lay back.
Oh, yeah,
Lay,
sure.
lay that on him. So you know what you can do here is you can start working on him, Bob, and then jump back over to the other side
Okay.
to finish that off, and then tug, get right in here, and then tug up on that.
Guys, give us
You
some
know,
room, please.
And then,
Thank you.
And then with your knife, get that up here like this,
Uh-huh.
and
You gonna be able to tell me?
yeah, I was gonna find a hook for you to put it on.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a spare hook.
Look down there.
Well, if it's right there, it'll be in big and
Get one for you.
yeah.
You need a hook right over by those tools, right?
Yeah, we do. We kind of need a new hook in
Let me
here.
have one of those square hooks, you know, the ones that go right over the beam.
All right, now Lou, if you can turn that leg out so as to kind of hide that gag.
Twin counter.
This one.
Jam like over in here, and then we may have to single it.
Is it okay? You're not seeing this chest.
Don't see it happen.
Rather not lay this on top of it.
Just, yeah.
On something on there's something else that's on top of it.
Yeah, see, don't see that. That's a damn pity in a way. You don't see it. It's
Well, if you want to, I have no objections then. If you want to see it come right off the body.
Yeah, I might get a camera up in here and do that, but for now, I don't want to even know it's LG.
I think that's the best.
Yeah.
Hook coming in.
What do you want this toe, right?
What's that point?
Yeah, look sharp. There, and hang that piece of skin up there.
Okay.
God damn, is that my old face over there? God.
Yeah, man, she's already had it on.
Oh, Jesus.
She looks better.
Poke at it, maybe stick my finger in it or something.
Yeah.
Play with it.
Play with it a little bit.
Play with his nose.
Yeah, ring your fingers around in his eyes.
Wardrobe?
Yes, here.
I gotta
Maybe
need
even
some socks.
hang it up here
All
and
right,
put your hands through it like it has a tongue.
Standing by.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
I think they're ready
Yeah.
to go on.
Just
Toby,
happy. Yes,
socks are ready to go on,
put
right?
socks on.
Okay,
Okay.
please.
Excuse me, I need to get in.
Okay, here we go. Stop that from swinging.
Ready and
Okay, here we go.
rolling. Good.
D mark. A mark.
Hold on. Okay, and Bob, all right, make sure the saw's running good. Go. Action. That's good. Turn it around. That's good. Turn it around. Look at it. All right. Yeah. Now that meat hook in the corner there. Hang it up. Good. Okay. Pick up your knife and go back. Peel a little bit. Peel like it's hard to peel it off. All right. Let me see that in your body. Yeah. Good. That's good. Very good. All right, get it up. Get in front of that light. All right, get it back to let. All right, looking. All right, hold it so you can see it. Yeah, good. And stretch. And cut. Okay. All right, watch that hook. All right.
Stay together, please.
All right.
Be still out there, please.
That'll for something, okay? I'll just say straight. Oh.
All right, stand by. Here we go. How's the smoke? Somebody
Totally
say something. How's the
awful and
smoke?
pathetic.
Smoke needs to be a little more to start to take, and then we need to keep it trickling in,
Yep.
okay? Just a little more. All right, fan it up. Go.
Keep it wafting in, but you got an actor coming back this way.
Rolling.
D. D mark.
D mark.
All right, and action. Faster. No, that's no good. Come back, come back. I've got to see her go taut against that goddamn rope. Turn to the door, turn to the door. This way. Darling. Darling, don't be scared, darling.
LG? Oh no, LG, they got you.
No time.
the best I've ever seen. Hard fucking out.
I clap my hand.
And then the hand comes up in faster, and then
It's
and
going
then,
up faster.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right, great.
Toby,
Yeah.
we had a little bit of overlap and stretch once he leaves camera.
Once she, in your condition, you may have to get that oyster out of there before you can, you can go
You
on.
got that half dozen on the side for me?
Yeah.
Have you? Let's go get one.
No, all right.
Meat hook and hit the door and knock it over and then get silhouetted for a second. Will that fuck you up?
Yeah, Lou, 'cause there ain't nothing out there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna grab it.
To the meat hook.
D mark. A mark. Set.
And action. Come on.
Darling, don't be scared, darling.
LG? Oh no, LG. I got you. LG.
No time. We have to get you loose.
No, I got it.
Oh, I know, and I looked at him and I thought, oh God, I hope you don't see him.
I want you to bust the tape. I want to break your ass up.
Hey, it really gets the detail of that makeup.
Yeah.
I mean, of the.
Tommy Bear.
Don't give him a big hug.
I'm so sticky, I'm sticking to the ground.
On action, when he goes to that, go to your second mark. You remember?
Okay, so immediately.
Yeah, on action, yeah. Go to that second mark, and it leaves, and then that puts you in the position for this camera.
Right.
I could even swing off, almost like stabbing yourself, almost. You know, you damn near fall down. And then, just get into it.
I'll get my thumbs around like that.
Don't do that. Don't do that. If you do
If I
it,
do, goddammit, I ain't gonna bust a cut. So you don't cut.
I won't, 'cause I
I
got
stick
wide
myself
lenses.
in the leg with this motherfucker, don't you cut.
You bet I won't. I got wide lenses on here. Rolling. Now we're rolling.
Mark. A mark. Set.
And don't forget to move back on that line. And action.
LG, they got you. Oh, LG.
No time. We got to get you loose. Oops. This one's falling apart on you, honey.
Hold it up high. Go. Same thing with the hat. Stand. Look back at him. Wipe your face. Cut.
But I mean, I'd still rather have the marinade. I mean, I wouldn't be too happy with it.
It's great. It's great. Spot dress on, knee with no skin.
Look that way for me once again. Lou. See, there's so much detail in that face. Say hi to people in television land.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes.
Can we put something under your arm because you're going to be there for some time? You get Walter's voice list.
Yeah, excuse me. I think what's cool about this is it barely on.
Slap this man. Give you a nail.
Oop, like that.
I'm just a cook.
What exactly? She's kind of like a whole new animal underwater.
Yeah, that's it. No time.
Please get your balding head out of my shot.
Trust you. Ooh, Sean. Everybody kind of chicken shitted out and ran away.
That's great. It's like the tip of this whole thing is your bar's going to do that.
I love your description. Thanks.
I used to make it risen up more hair if it was snow. It's not good to breathe, but. Well, what do you spray on something you want it to smoke? You can hit it like that. And hit your,
No. Trust me.
You can glue the top edge of the cabin to it?
yeah.
Sure.
You gotta pull it off and put it in fire.
Am I in costume here? Or there?
Yep.
I can't remember what speed this film was. It was set on 125, and I'm sure it wasn't that, so it must be.
We're gonna button that last button up, or?
God, I got a 16.
Probably look better at that anyway. Probably look like.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, and well, it might make some interesting wrinkles. How you doing, Bill?
Please look to your left, Ken. Please look that way. Yeah. No, the other way, if you will. Okay, how flexible is that?
How flexible?
Yeah, can you smile and all that?
Yeah.
You get a nice...
Much better than what it was yesterday.
Oh, good. think it's stronger then? It'll hold up then?
Yeah. Nothing is coming to this line. I'm not losing the lower lip like I was earlier. I started to lose that early in the game yesterday.
Oh, really?
Today, nothing.
Great.
Action!
Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge.
Oh, be careful of Grandma's favorite rug. You gotta be careful of the splatter. Be careful of the splatter. Oh, great Grandma in chainsaw heaven. Please skip this. Don't put a hoodoo on the boy. Hey, Grandpa, the big boy's here. Got something to show you, haven't you, Bubba? Huh? Hey, look, Grandpa, what Bubba brought you. A Slurpee booty. Come on, Grandpa. Come on. Come on, you're the best, Grandpa. Come on. Hit her, Grandpa. Kill the baby. Come on, kill her. Oh, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa. Remember those beeves? Come on now, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa. Hit the bench. Come on, bring her home, Grandpa. Come on, you can do it, Grandpa. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Attaboy. Come. Grandpa. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. Try it again. Here. Here, Grandpa. Here.
Come on, Grandpa.
Come on, Grandpa.
One hit, Grandpa.
Remember I did the beeves? Come on, Grandpa. One time. You're a one-hitter, Grandpa. Ah, why did you
Grandpa.
Come on. That's it. Okay. Come on, Grandpa.
Hit her, Grandpa.
Come on, Grandpa. Yeah. Come on, Grandpa.
Get her, Grandpa.
One more time, right up. Get it, Grandpa. Kill him.
Come on.
Get that ladle over there under her head, Bill.
Here.
Ain't no blood. Bill, get the goddamn ladle out of the child.
Come on, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa.
Cut!
Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge.
No, don't root Grandma's favorite drug. Be careful of the splatter. You gotta be careful of the splatter. Oh, great Grandma in chainsaw heaven. Please just skip this. Don't hoodoo the boy. Hey, Grandpa, here's the big boy. Look what Bubba brought you. Hey, Grandpa, Bubba's got something to show you here. Look, his Slurpee booty.
Hit her, Grandpa.
Okay, come on, Grandpa. Let's see you do it now. Come on. Come on, Grandpa. You're the best.
Hit her, Grandpa.
Come on, Grandpa.
Hit her,
Oh,
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Come on, you're the best. See, remember those beeves? Come on. One hitter, Bubba.
Hit her, Grandpa.
Come on. Come on now, Grandpa.
Hit her, Grandpa. Here, hit that bitch. You're the best, Grandpa.
Come on, Grandpa.
Here.
Come on, Grandpa. Kill him. Come on, bring her home. Come on, Grandpa.
Yeah. Some booty. Hit that bitch.
Roll up. Cut.
Phil Slade on up. Mark.
Okay, great.
Can we get a napkin in here or something?
See?
Hey, Mark. That's Mark.
And
Wait a minute. All right.
reel, you got the reel hammer?
Yep.
Okay, and, all right, action.
Okay, Grandpa. Come on now. Right on her head now. Come on, right here.
You're the best.
Come on, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa.
Drop it.
Come on.
We need the meat.
Come on, right here, Grandpa. Fill her up. Fill her up, Grandpa. Oh.
Now, all right, now drop it behind you, Ken.
Come on, Grandpa.
Now, give it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on,
behind you.
Hey, get it out of here, you can do it.
And drop it.
Come on, more. You got it. You're the best.
Drop the hammer. All right, get a special gag.
Come on, Grandpa. Come on.
Let him have the blood.
Get her now, Grandpa. Come on, get her now. Come on, Grandpa. You can do it. You can do it, Grandpa. Come on, Grandpa.
And freeze like you've gone to sleep. All right, run around the other side of him, Jim. All right, now you can feed him. Feed him.
Come on, Grandpa.
And now I'm going to want you to throw it. All right. Keep working, Leatherface and Caroline.
Come on. Come on. Throw it.
Cut!
Get her now, Grandpa. Get her.
Like you did with them beeves there.
Come on, Grandpa. Hook and pull.
Smile.
Hook and pull.
Smile, Grandpa. Open those eyes wide. Blood.
Slurpy booty time. Yeah. Ooh, that's good, isn't it, Grandpa? Ooh. Yeah. Hit her now. Hit that bitch. Come on there, Grandpa.
Watch his light.
Come on, Grandpa.
Blood.
Yeah, Grandpa.
You want to zoom or?
Yeah.
Oh, let's
Just for a microsecond.
no, let's go to the dial.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's go to the dial here while it's being washed.
We're just gonna put the diopter on.
Smile with those eyes. All right, zoom back out. Okay. And blood. Zoom.
Slurpy. 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 Yeah. That's good.
Zoom out. And keep going, Drayton. And start the zoom. Blood instantly.
Slurpy. Have a little Slurpy.
Zoom back out. All right. Now just lick and chomp like that and smile. Zoom. And open those eyes wide. Now if you can just look to the left and the right, just drift your eyes around a bit. Good. Blink them a couple of times. All right, now look down in the direction where the girl is. Zoom back out. And blood. Zoom.
Open as wide as possible.
Eyes open. As wide as possible, kid. Good, good. Flicker your eyes around now. Just flick them around like you're loving it.
Was the other action good?
Yeah, the other action was good.
Rolling. Edge. Marker. Set.
Action!
Look at that saw.
Bill! Oh, bitch! Dead end, girl. Dead end now. Dead end city. Look at my face, girl. Look. Look! Kind of like death eating a cracker. Huh? Huh? No, no, get away from her! Get away from her! No, don't touch her! No!
All right, okay. All right, here, okay. And you react to him and you jump up here. Let me see you go into like third gear or something
You bet.
in your face, okay?
Yeah.
Also, when you start to pull this out, you're acting as if you know it's hard to take out of there already.
Oh, I do.
So go for it.
That's right.
Go for it, and then find it stuck. Okay? You know, go for it like you're going to pull it up, and only, you know what I mean? Let's
Exactly.
see if you can do that without tearing it up. Yeah, right. Just go for it like, yeah, right.
And
Yeah,
then brace myself.
Yeah, right. Let's try
Exactly.
it. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it. No, let me see you do it from turning around.
I'm turning around.
Yeah, all right. All right, now go turn around and pick it up. Now see, you're already.
I'm already doing my leg like that, so I'd not do that.
Right, turn around. Good. Yeah, see, then won't. Yeah, then put your leg up there. Good. All right, let me see you do it one more time. Yeah, I mean, you know what you might do? Yeah, good. Yeah, but you know what? Let me show you.
Yeah.
Just to be sure, stand down there. Let me occupy your space here. All right, and that is turn around. And then, you know, like it's going to be easy.
Right. I had an idea. It feels pretty secure in there anyway. So.
Yeah, but I don't know.
But you're right. That was the wrong.
Okay.
Rolling. Good.
Speed.
Mark.
All right, get ready. Action. Chicken.
Bill! You haul, bitch! Dead end, girl. Dead end now. Dead end city. Look at my face. Look. Look! Like death eating a cracker. Huh? Huh? No, get away from her, get away! No, don't touch her!
All right, stop.
Yow!
Hold it. Go, start, do that part again. Pick up. Look at him. All right, go for the saw.
No, get away from her, get away! No, don't touch her! Yow! Yow! No, yow!
You borrowed my camera.
Do you have one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, they're wonderful.
Exactly the same. Right. Panasonic, right?
Show me your position, Ron, for your first throw.
Please. Enough. Thank you. There we go. Roll it. Action. Have you. One. Two. Three. Cut it. Cut.
Tom,
Yeah.
talk about the glamour of show business.
Well, I'm standing here with black cloth taped to my feet, severed hand and a foot lying here. I have to accurately find a mark by throwing this arm and this hand at the camera. That arm over there. This is the fourth take. They tell me I have too much energy, so I'm gonna take a Valium and try and do it.
great.
Boy, after a hard day of dismembering, decapitation, nothing like a good punch.
And there you have it, folks. Punch. Punch is for everybody.
Put a bag over his head.
Excuse me, what do you have attached to your thumb here? What is this?
This is my friend John Ivy. He got a little too drunk last night.
Kind of quiet, isn't it?
He's very quiet. He suddenly froze to this expression. This is a team of doctors that we've hired to try to snap him out of it.
This is Dr. Reynolds.
Seems to not have a heartbeat at this point.
Raise it a little.
All right, please. Start your saw. Cameras watch me. Look great from here. Now, please. Michael.
Perfect here.
Vince.
It was very good right at the end, deep into the cut. I think I saw an arm come up.
Deep into the cut, you saw an arm come up. All right, Ray.